Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we add watermark in Excel. So in this particular sheet, what we will do is we will add watermark in this. To add watermark in this, what we have to do is we have to go to insert here and go to header and footer here, and in this what I have to click here, then go to pictures, then give the path. Here I will give the path and I'll just click OK, insert. And if I click over here, as you can see, the watermark is popped up, and I have to edit this to be in center. To add this in center, what we have to do is just click here again, then press enter like this, and again here. As you can see, now it is adjusted. Just adjust a little bit. Now you can see it is in between. So this is the way you can add watermark in Excel. And let's say you have to edit, so you can go to format picture here. You can adjust the size if you want to, let's say like this, and you can scale also like this, and also the height like this. So this is the way you can format the watermark like this. And if you want to go to like your Excel sheet, as you should go to view, then go to normal. As you can see here, the watermark is not present. So when you go to print here, so you can see the watermark over here. So the watermark is present when you print the Excel sheet. Else, while working on the Excel sheet, it will not be present. So this is the way you can add watermark in Excel. I hope you find this video useful. And if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care. Bye bye.